Pretty messy burger, I think. I feel, oh, he's climbed right up. Oh, you're holding him. Spin on the other frogs, like this one.
You never know what you're gonna run into. I guess it looks a little tiny bit like a maple leaf already. 大家好。
大家好。
咁我哋咧已經喺佛山中國住咗將近1個月啦。咁點解我哋會出現喺呢個地方呢？就係因為其實我係喺呢度出世長大嘅人，咁所以今次就係翻嚟探親啦。咁就係要食下我阿爸阿媽啲飯啦，使佢哋啲錢啦，住佢哋間屋啦。咁咧就講到佛山咧，就比較出名嘅嘢其實得幾樣嘅啫。第一個就係葉問啦。
Oh, I heard Yip Man. It's a good movie.
Yeah, and he's from here. So, 葉問啦、黃飛鴻啦，同埋陶瓷啦，仲有祖廟啦。咁其實佛山好大嘅，但係即係大家比較熟悉嘅嘢就係呢幾樣啦。咁跟住今次翻嚟咧，都想帶大家去體驗一下啲比較傳統嘅佛山嘅嘢。咁所以今日我哋會去南方古祖，跟住嗰度係整陶瓷好出名嘅地方啦。咁我哋都會去嘗試一下自己整陶瓷嘅。咁就而家出發啦，我哋會去食咗午餐先嘅。So we're gonna go have lunch now. You ready?
Yeah, ready to eat.
Okay, so see you guys in the restaurant then.
One thing different about ordering here in China compared to other places, there's a QR code on the table that you scan and fill out your card all through your phone, and there's no waiter involved other than bringing you your food, but you don't tell anyone what you want. You just do it all on WeChat.
And you also pay through the QR code too. Like honestly, I feel like people can walk out on this. It's like really basing on people's honesty, because like no one asks you, no one bring you the bill. You just pay through the QR code and you just walked away.
Yep, a lot less interaction.
Yeah.
Here.
Okay, part of our food is here. This is my noodle. That's Jordan's chicken burger, and are you gonna pour the cheese on?
I guess I'll pour the cheese on now. This is gonna be a pretty messy burger, I think. Maybe I should have just dipped it.
Oh, it looks good though.
This is what it looked like in the
pictures?
Yeah, in the pictures, but I don't know how to eat it now.
The food is pretty good.
I just had to eat mine in sections. Can't eat it like a full burger.
It's so messy. Okay, after our main course is done, of course we have to have dessert to show it to you guys. Can you see it? It's toast.
It's called ice cream toast.
Yeah, I don't see the ice cream. I see a lot of butter though.
Butter, yeah, it's got a chunk of butter on each one.
Yeah.
And then maybe some.
Hopefully there's ice cream inside.
Looks like icing on top.
Yeah. Okay. There's no ice cream, but it's really, really good. We recommend it. I think all this cha餐廳 they will have it 西多士, and I think now they like to make it in a tiny bite, which is easier because like back in the day, all the 西多士 is like a whole piece. You have to cut them yourself. I like it this way better. 到咗直館啦，咁我哋而家入去睇睇。You got the ticket. It's 25 per person, so $5 Canadian.
Joe's feeding the pigeons. Pigeons are a major attraction here in China, I guess. I feel, oh, he's climbed right up. Oh, you're holding him. I feel like Canada and America, people kind of dislike pigeons. But everyone in China seems to love.
I mean, pigeons got to live too.
Just as pigeons got to live too.
They're really friendly. Look at this.
Wow, bird whisperer.
Okay, so this is the front of the whole park, and you can see all this is the kiln that they used like back in the day. So this is the really original kiln where they bake all the pottery.
Still used today?
I don't think so. Like right now it's like a museum, so it's just for you to study like how they were back in the day. Okay, so this is inside the kiln. You can see there's a lot of holes for the airflow while they're using it, and it goes all the way up there. So now this spot is blocked, but back in the day, that's where they put the products inside for it to bake.呢棵係一棵好耐嘅榕樹，我覺得可能佢自稱係有1000年啦，我唔知有冇啦，但係應該係真係好老嘅一棵榕樹。
More pigeon attraction here. I think China needs to open up a pigeon zoo. It'd make millions.
We can pet them.
A pigeon petting zoo, I guess.
That's my pet pigeon. We got a little souvenir. That's a frog that could bring us wealth. Okay, it's a 金蟬. So hopefully we'll be rich after we got this.
Hopefully.
Pray to the frog. Well, you know to bring in some cat treats whenever you go out. You never know what you're gonna run into. Okay, we're gonna do our pottery DIY here, and we can do some like small magnets, so we can bring it home with us. Let's go inside. Okay, we're sitting down. We got our clay. I think I'm gonna make a maple leaf. Represent Canada. What are you gonna make?
I think I decided to go with something Christmas because it's
Christmas time.
Yeah, something related to Christmas.
So we have this plate, and then we have unlimited clay. Whatever we made, we just need to fit into the plate, and that will be our project. I guess it looks a little tiny bit like a maple leaf already. Okay, I think it's pretty much done. It looks pretty good.
Hopefully they can guess who that is. Wait.
Santa. I can tell. It looks like Santa. Santa looks good.
Thank you. Your leaf looks really good.
Oh wow, professional. Yeah. This is what I'm gonna do. This is my future career.
How do you get it off?
This.
Oh, you got a scraper. Okay.
I want to ask for help though. I don't want to ruin it. Okay, so this is our final project. They're half dry, so we can like start painting them right now. A Santa.
A Santa Claus.
I also make a little piggy. Okay, so we'll start painting. Okay, I think we're pretty much done. Oh! It's really hard to paint the pig because it's so tiny. Just gonna do this. Shower the pig with the paint. Don't laugh, this is like a new technique, okay?
Professional technique.
Yeah. Okay.
Pretty good.
Oh, Jordan decided to turn his Santa into a ornament.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be put a hole at the top so we can hang them.
Okay, we'll show you guys the final project. Oh, you already seen this. Just a maple leaf.
My Santa Claus.
Yeah. And my really sad pig. It looks really sad after I put his eyes on. Okay, it's supposed to be a capybara, but it's really hard to make it so small so it turned into a pig. It works. A sad pig. And the whole experience for today is 128 month. So it's around 25 Canadian dollars for both of us. I think it's pretty good. The deal is pretty good because it doesn't matter how many things you made or how big it is, as long as you fit into this plate, then it's good. Okay, so I guess we'll see you guys when the project's ready then. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, so we're back to pick up our pottery today, and it's only been 4 days. It's pretty quick.
Yeah, our pottery came out really good. It made the their main page on their
Social media,
channel, I guess.
Yeah.
But before we go grab it, there's a few booths outside of the paid attraction that are pretty cool. So we're gonna show you that first. I think I'm gonna get one of these frogs, but we're gonna take a look around first. Okay, we found a gift for somebody back home. Not gonna spoil who it's for. Show a little surprise of what it is. That's it.
Okay, this is our last attraction. I don't know if you can see, there's a really big pottery lady. So this is 8-meter height, and this is one of the biggest ceramic, like a human figure in the world so far. And there's a story that she is the person who traveled all the way to this city to bring the skills of pottery. That's why they make pottery of her and the memories of her.
And I got my frog. For good luck or good money or
good wealth.
He's for good wealth. So hopefully he brings us a lot of money.
Yep, we pray for this frog too. Okay, we got our pottery. I'm so excited to show you guys. Okay, I will show you guys the Santa first. Ta-da!
He can be an ornament. I put a hole at the top or a magnet.
Yeah.
So it's a versatile Santa.
That is so cute.
I think he came out pretty good.
Yeah. And then my maple leaf. I guess the color wasn't as good as the pictures that I saw online. But it's still pretty good. I mean,
professional maple leaf.
Yeah, and there's a magnet.
Yeah.
And the last thing that they almost forgot to give it to me.
We had to call him back.
It's my little piggy! My little piggy! It's so tiny. Let me see. Can you see it? Is it better? Yeah, that's my little piggy.
Yeah.
It's so cute! Yeah, it's a fun experience, and I'm so glad that we can get it back in 4 days.
Yeah, it was really fast.
Yeah. Okay, I guess this is the end of our video for this time. I hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, we'll see you guys next time.
Okay. Bye bye.